Hi, I'm Mark Boutros and I am a screenwriter and independent author. I've written for some of the biggest channels in the UK, including the BBC and Sky One, as well as a book on writing called The Craft of Character and a fantasy novel series called Heroes of Hastovia. I also teach writing classes at several universities in the country. I'm passionate about helping people become better writers. I write to explore the world and to make sense of humanity. I want to move people and make them ask questions. To do this, I have to know my characters as if I've been living with them. Character is the heartbeat of every story. We love some and we hate some. We want them to achieve their goals, or sometimes to get what they deserve. When creating my protagonists, I spend time thinking, researching, talking to other people, and widening my perspective. I do a lot of work on a character before I send them on their journey. Watching them take on lives of their own is why I love writing. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create a fleshed out protagonist with a believable story arc. For your final project, you'll write a one-page story outline and the first scene or chapter where we see your protagonist start their adventure. First, we will frame an idea through character and then gather information about them. We'll elaborate on their goals, find their unique voice, and I'll also share some tips on effective research. Next, we'll consolidate our work using a character questionnaire and discover who our protagonist really is. We'll add side characters and obstacles to their life and write detailed descriptions of them. We will then condense all our knowledge into a one-page synopsis of our character's story ready to share with others. Finally, we'll write our introductory scene or chapter, letting our protagonist lead the drama. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to develop a variety of believable, three-dimensional characters and their storylines. This course is for anyone interested in creative writing with an emphasis on character. Let's write a protagonist we can't wait to meet.